This is Nick with logosbynick.com, and in today's tutorial I'll be demonstrating how you can change eye colors using GIMP. And if you'd like to follow along with what I'm doing here in this tutorial, I'll have a link to the image in the description of the video. So let's go ahead and get started. We want to open our photograph up with GIMP. The first thing we want to do is just right click on the layer and make sure we have Add Alpha Channel selected. If it's grayed out and you can't click it, you're all set, you're good to go. If not, go ahead and click that. So the first thing we want to do is create a duplicate of this layer. So I'm going to come down here to this button that says create a duplicate of the layer and add it to the image. Go ahead and click on that. And then we're going to remove the color from the entire image. So we'll go to Colors, Saturation. Let me grab that window. And I'm going to bring that all the way to the left so that we're just left with the grayscale image. And go ahead and click OK. And what we want to do next is we want to right click on this new layer, the one up top here, and click on Add Layer Mask. And the layer mask we want to choose is the second one here, which is Black Full Transparency. And go ahead and click Add. And it's going to get rid of all of the grayscale, but it's going to add it back wherever we apply a white color. So what we're going to do now is let's go ahead and grab a brush over here. I'm going to grab a softer brush, the softest brush that they have, which is brush 2, hardness 025. I'm going to make sure the foreground color is set to white. As you see here, it's set to black and then the background's white. I'm just going to flip this around so that the white is the foreground color. And bring your brush over here to the eye. I'm actually going to zoom in on this a little bit by holding Control and rolling up the mouse wheel a few times. Make sure you have your brush the right size. You can adjust the size of the brush over here. If it's bigger than the eye, it's a little too big. So I want to bring down the size of that a little bit. Something right here is pretty good. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and brush inside of the eye here and remove the color so that only the grayscale area of the eye is showing. And then I'll come over here and do the same thing to the other eye. And to move the page, I'm just pressing down the mouse wheel and moving the mouse. Do the same thing to this other eye over here, remove that color area. Let me just make sure I have both sides set good, and there we go. Now, what I want to do is I want to right-click on that layer and go to Apply Layer Mask, and that's going to finalize it as it is. And I'm going to press 1 on the keyboard to zoom back out to 100%. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this layer and I'm going to duplicate that by clicking the button that says Create a Duplicate of the Layer and add it to the image. And then to add color to it, I'm going to go to Colors, Colorize. And you can see it adds color to the eyes. And if you take this hue lever up here, you slide this left and right, you'll see that you can change the colors of the eyes. So you can make them whatever color you'd like. Or if you don't like the colors that it cycles through, you can click this little colored stripe down here and give it an exact RGB value or HTML notation. So I'm going to set this to like a green color like that. I'll go ahead and click OK. And what you notice here, there's a little bit of green area that bled out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the eraser tool. And I'm going to zoom back in on that. And I'm just going to erase that from the edges around there so it's not bleeding out like that. You get that out of the eyelashes too. You don't need that in there. Let me press 1 to zoom out to see how that looks. That's pretty good. Just a little more maybe. And I'll come over here and do the same thing to the other eye. Just get that area that bled out. Remove this from the eyelid. And as you can see, we're done. We've changed the colors of the eyes using GIMP. Now, if you want to change the color again, what you could do is go back to this original layer, this middle one here, duplicate that again, bring this to the top, and then turn off the visibility of the one beneath that, which is the green one. And you can go ahead and go back to Colors and Colorize, and you could change the color to something different. Like maybe if you want to go with red, you could turn the visibility of this back on, and if you toggle this off and on, you can see we have different colors there. And what you'll have to do is you'll have to go back through there again and remove the areas of the colors that bled out like that. So that's how you can go about changing eye colors using GIMP. If you haven't done so already, please consider joining the Logos by Nick mailing list to be notified of new tutorials when they're posted. Your information won't be sold to or shared with anyone else, and you're never going to receive any kind of spam or promotional emails from me whatsoever. The only time you get emails from me is when new tutorials are posted, and you'll get to watch them on the Logos by Nick website without any third-party advertisements interrupting your learning experience. So check the link in the description for further information. If you have any questions, let me know, and as always, thanks for watching.